Growing a business is hard, and these founders crack the code by hiring smarter, not harder. Just watch this.
Hey, what's up guys? Wayne, Mayhem Digital Media here. Wanted to record this video for a super heartfelt shout out to Omer Bloch and the Fava team for helping us get a quality, reliable, trusty employee that has helped us scale our business over the past 4.5 months. Before, I was managing everything in the business by myself. I was doing the sales calls, doing the marketing, managing all the client retention, and just kind of was a one-man bandstand. And Omer came in and gave us somebody that can help us with the client accounts, helps us get good results for them, which has lowered retention or lowered our churn rate drastically over the past several months, and helped me and my business partner focus on the growth aspect of the business, putting in more SOPs into the business, and making sure that we have things scaled effectively. So if you're looking for somebody that will really pay attention to what your needs for your business are, and what will give you a no bullshit answer in regards to what they think you should do, and where you should focus your time, and what kind of employees would help you and your business the best. Omer, your team, and Fava rock. So good job, guys. I will definitely be coming back to you again. Thanks.
If you like what you heard, let's build a remote team and help you get your time back. Go to remotelatinos.com and click on the description below.